This is verse 1 of the 13th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Matthew has just completed a conversation that took place in a house, and many think it was probably the house of Peter. May have been a synagogue, we're not sure, it's not specifically stated, but nevertheless, Jesus has heard that his mother and his brothers are outside, and having made a comment about his true family, he then exits the building where he has been, and that's where Matthew picks up the narrative now. So we have in, preposition with the dative, te hemera, in the day, dative of hemera, akene, that day. Sometimes the word day is used metaphorically, and it can stand for more than just one day, but in this case, it seems quite compelling that we're talking about the same day. And so, assuming that Jesus did go outside, having heard that his family was there, he went out and met them, I suppose, and walked with them toward the sea. Capernaum, of course, is on the Sea of Galilee, so it probably wasn't a long walk, but that seems to be the sense that Matthew wants to communicate. So in the day, that one, that particular day, exalthon, this is a aorist participle from exerchomai. He went out, masculine singular nominative, going with the subject, which is Jesus here, ho Jesus, in the nominative. So in that day, Jesus having gone out, customarily the ek would be included here, along with this eggs, but it isn't here, so it's a little bit less emphatic, but the same idea. This word means to exit. So in that day, Jesus having gone out of the house, in the genitive here, tes oikias, of the house, a katheto, this is from kathemai. It's in the middle form, it means to sit, the kata means down, the hemai is from a verb that simply means to sit, and taken together, to sit down. It implies a little bit of a permanent sitting down with some degree of formality would be the idea. Of course, our word cathedral, a place of sitting or a place of a throne, is derived from this verb. Nothing like that is implied here, but Jesus went and sat down. Then he says, para, this is alongside of, with the accusative, tain, thalos, and along the sea. So we have Jesus changing his venue here, probably on the same day, but going down by the Sea of Galilee and sitting down. And of course, from this point, we're going to hear a series of miracles that, I should say parables, that Matthew collects together and reports them to us here. And the idea is to more or less gather together the parabolic teaching of Jesus into one place. And this is the chapter where Matthew intends to do that.